It's a 17.5 lakh rupees building. But you have the Chief Minister of the state, the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, the DGP of the state, all the senior police officials coming here to be part of this very small inauguration in the program. But I would like to tell all of you that this building may be very small, but this building symbolizes the importance that this government gives to governance, the importance that we give to public service. This building is a symbol of the safety and security of the citizens of our state. This building is a symbol of the confidence of the people in this area. And hence it may be a very small structure, but the message is very large. And the message I would also like to give today, that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today. And as Deputy CM has mentioned, this is not just one of the projects that is there. There will be many, many such projects in all the sensitive areas, in all the areas which are very far flung, which are very, very remote, where we have different challenges, where there's a requirement for different outposts and manpower. Let me assure the citizens of our state, not just in West Khasi Hills, but all across the state, that we are committed to ensure that we will build up the infrastructure and provide the manpower that is necessary to ensure that the safety of our people is always there.